Epic Games and Unity announced a major partnership on November 19th, 2025. If you haven't heard, during Unity's annual developer conference, this conference is called Unite. Some key details of this partnership. Unity developers gain the ability to publish their games directly into the Fortnite ecosystem, a platform with over 500 million registered accounts. This lets Unity creators participate in the Fortnite Creator Economy. And this is big, right? Because of the Unreal Engine. Epic's Unreal Engine into its cross-platform commerce system that they have. This gives Unreal developers more choice for managing digital catalogs, payment providers, and web shops across PC, mobile, and web here. And I guess the aim here is to create more opportunities and value for game developers globally. However, we don't care about partnerships. We don't care too much about that kind of stuff. At the end of the day, we want, whether it's small developers or large developers, pushing out really good gaming titles. In any case, let me know how you feel about this. And if you like this kind of content, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and of course, comment. I'll see you in the next one.